Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Or felt like your brain is moving in slow motion, like it's just not as sharp as it used to be? Here's the truth. Your brain is the most powerful tool you own. It controls everything, your thoughts, your decisions, your emotions. Yet, most of us take it for granted. But today, that changes. Today, you'll discover how to fuel your brain, protect it from aging, and unlock its full potential, no matter your age. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly what to eat, what to avoid, and how to keep your mind razor sharp for life. Top 5 brain-boosting foods. 1. DHA, the brain's building block. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and the most critical type is DHA, an omega-3 your body can't make on its own. Get it from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, algae oil if you're plant-based, supplements if you don't eat enough seafood. 2. Berries, nature's antioxidant powerhouses. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries fight oxidative stress, improve memory, and keep your brain young. Pro tip: eat a rainbow of fruits and veggies, 30 different kinds a week for maximum benefits. 3. Leafy greens, the brain's defense system. Spinach, kale, and other greens are packed with magnesium, folate, and B vitamins, all crucial for reducing brain fog and protecting against decline. Eggs, the memory superfood. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient your brain uses to make acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter for memory and focus. 5. Water, the overlooked brain fuel. Your brain is 75% water. Even mild dehydration slows your thinking, kills focus, and drains mental clarity. Drink at least half a liter per 15 kilograms of body weight daily, more if you consume caffeine or alcohol. The gut-brain connection. Your gut is your second brain. The bacteria inside it directly affect your mood, stress levels, and cognitive function. To support it, eat probiotic foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Take a high-quality probiotic, 50 billion CFU or more. Feed good bacteria with fiber from whole plant foods. Some probiotics, called psychobiotics, even reduce anxiety and boost mental resilience naturally. 3. Supplements for a sharper mind. 1. Omega-3s, DHA/EPA, essential if you don't eat fatty fish regularly. 2. Probiotics, strengthen the gut-brain axis for better mood and focus. 3. Vitamin D and B complex, protect against brain aging and energy crashes. 3 foods that destroy your brain. Processed junk food, packed with inflammatory fats and chemicals that accelerate brain aging. Charred or smoked meats, contain toxic compounds that damage neurons. Sugar and refined carbs, spike blood sugar, then crash it, leaving you foggy and fatigued. The fasting edge, proceed with caution. Intermittent fasting can boost brain function, but only if you're already eating clean. If your diet is poor, fasting can backfire, leaving you more stressed and mentally drained. Final takeaway: your brain's performance depends on what you feed it today. Prioritize brain-boosting foods. Support your gut. Avoid neurotoxins. Supplement wisely. Start now, because a sharper, faster, more resilient mind isn't just possible, it's within your reach.